Booking a multi-city ticket with Turkish Airlines is a pretty straightforward process. It's something I've done many times. And so to get started, you can go onto their website, and I've put the link in the description below. Once you're on their website, you can kind of see towards the middle of the screen, you've got that round trip, one-way, stopover in Istanbul, and multi-city. Go ahead and click on multi-city. And so in this example, I'm going to show going from London to Istanbul, and then Izmir back to London. And so I've already typed these in, selected my dates. And if you do need to add another flight, you can click add flight. And then so once you're ready, go ahead and click search flights. And you can see here I've been given my flight options. If you're flying to London, make sure you select the correct airport. You can already see here that LGW, that's London Gatwick, LHR, that's London Heathrow. Make sure you select the right airport. And so here we have the different options available. I'm just going to select which one works best for me. I've selected a flight that works for me, and you can see the different types of fare classes. So you have the different fare classes here. Just have a look and see which works best for you, the type of amenities that are included. And then so once you're ready, go ahead and click on the one that works for you. And then it's going to show you on the way back the different flight options for you. You can see these actually have stopovers in Istanbul. And so whichever one works best for you, go ahead and select it. And again, whichever fare class works best for you based on your needs, go ahead and select that. And then it's going to load. It's going to show you everything about your booking. Make sure the dates are correct, the destinations are correct, you're happy with it. And then once you're ready, go ahead and click continue. And so here on this page, you're going to enter in your details. This is pretty self-explanatory going forward. You will notice that there's this little purple R button on my screen. So this is for Rakuten. There is some cashback available with Turkish Airlines. If I go ahead and click activate, I'm going to get 1% back on this purchase. It varies from time to time how much they offer, but on the date of this video, it's 1%. So if you would like to get some cash back on your purchase with Turkish Airlines, I'll include my referral link to get you an extra bonus in the description below. And so once you have booked your flights, you are going to get an email from Turkish Airlines with all the information you need. Overall, the booking process with Turkish Airlines is fairly straightforward, including the check-in process, boarding, everything. It's pretty straightforward. And so I hope you have a great time flying with Turkish Airlines. You enjoy your destination, and that's it. It's that easy.